Welcome to Packt for Teams. Packt content is written by developers for developers, and the Packt for Teams platform is built with business needs in mind. Providing you with access to over 7,000 ebooks and videos, and with more new releases added every month, you can rest assured knowing you've made the right decision for you and your team. From the user management page, you can perform various functions. To invite a learner to Packt for Teams, click on the Invite button at the bottom of the page. Input the learner's email address and press Enter. If the email address is valid, it will appear grey. If it's invalid, it will appear red. Please check the email address and try again. To let you know, there's no limit on the number of email addresses you can input when inviting, so type as many as you need. Click Invite and confirm. It takes just the click of a button to re-invite or remove a learner. Click the Re-invite button to re-invite a learner back to Packt for Teams. If a learner's invitation link is no longer valid, then click Resend Invitation to send them a new link. To remove a learner from the list, simply click Remove Seat. It's really easy to add more seats. Click on Purchase Additional Seats, then select the desired number of seats, and click Confirm and Pay. Finally, if you'd like to create an account for yourself, toggle Assign Seat to Myself. When it turns green, you're all set up to learn. We hope you enjoy your Packt for Teams subscription. Any questions or feedback, please get in touch.